to Video Funko Friday unboxing. It has been quite a day, but we're gonna make it the best day today. So today I have the bird spray Harley Quinn caution tape. I think that's what it's called. Yes, I have the caution tape one. She looks pretty awesome, and look at the back. They added backdrops to all of the pops from the series, which I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. They have various ones for the series, and I have not seen, well, I've seen, obviously I have this one, I've seen this one, no, this one and that one, and I haven't seen anyone else. But I think I got this one at Target. It was not like a Target exclusive or anything. It was just there. Also, they had at Target they had the Harley Quinn roller derby one, and they actually had this one, the derby one, the caution tape one, and the Roman Sionis, this guy. They had all those three at the Cinemark Theater. So like I said before, they are starting to have a lot of Funko Pops at the theaters and different locations. But this is a bird spray, and it says what? It says bird spray and the fantabulous emancipation of the Harley Quinn. I don't know. This is right there. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's from the new film, basically. I really like the holographic on the back. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe and like, and let's get started. So like I said, holographic backdrop. Awesome little detail that they added. I love it. It's awesome. I just love it when they add little stuff like that to the pops, because it makes them pop a little bit more, especially for this one, this film. So let's see. Oh my goodness. So let me tell y'all, yesterday I actually went to Hot Topic and stuff, and they had like a whole section for the new film, Bird Spray, and I seen the jacket. This jacket, I seen it there, and I saw a lot of stuff that I was like, what if I buy it, wear it for the film, the premiere? But nah, I don't know. We'll see. But let's get a little bit closer and show y'all the details on the Mrs. Harley Quinn. Miss Harley Quinn. Look at the details on the earrings, jacket, tattoos, the hair. You see the transparent? Oh my gosh, I love the jacket. It was so nice. I like it. I like the way she dresses. The earrings, the hair. They went out. They went out, let me tell you. The detail on her clothing, and she's missing a boot. I don't know if y'all realized that when I was spinning it, but she's missing her boot. So I'm hoping, I'm expecting that to happen throughout the film, that she loses her boot. But yeah, she looks pretty cool. Let me see if you can see more detail on her tattoos, possibly. Her tattoos, her jacket is see-through from the front, so they went all out. They did like jewelry, the jacket details, her holding something, which I don't know what it is, purse, clutch, something else over here. Like I said, the details on the tattoos, I can't really read them, but majority says like pudding cup, and it has like a little face of a Joker, hearts, like little dashes, Harley Quinn, pudding. And it looks like she did them. If their tattoos are just drawings, like they're upside down, like where she could do them herself. And then like I said, the detail on her jacket, the jewelry on her neck, the back of the jacket, the jewelry, the tattoo on her face, and then she has like little stars all over her shorts. I think it's pretty dope. I like it. She's so cute. She's adorable. And a lot of people be giving her stuff. They'll be like, oh no. Like, I don't like her as a character. I love the character that's playing her. I do. I just do. A lot of people are not happy with it. They didn't like her as Harley Quinn. I love her. She's cute. She's adorable. She literally reminds me of Harley Quinn anyway. So I think it's perfect. But I really like it. So here we go. I hope you enjoyed it. You know my videos are always short, straight to the point. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. And let me know what you think overall, which pop in the series you actually got. Or let me know if you've seen the movie, because I don't know by the time this video comes out, the movie comes out. Wouldn't that be awesome? But either way, let me know below. And I'll catch y'all next week on Friday.